Hi traveler, this is Mario from 4X Other Way. In this video I'm going to tell you what in my opinion links the ideas of WD GANN and Nikola Tesla. But before we start our journey, do not forget to subscribe in order to not miss next videos about WD GANN trading methods. Click the subscribe button below and let's start the rock and roll. Nikola Tesla said, if you knew the magnificence of the 3, 6 and 9, you'd have a key to the universe. The 3, 6 and 9 represent the pathways that force manifest through to form the matter. The other numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8 represent the already manifested ingredients of the matter. So Nikola Tesla, considering the importance of numbers 3, 6 and 9, talked about the harmony of the universe. Well, if you'd like to know more about Tesla and his theory, there are plenty of YouTube videos and you can easily find them. Our main topic is market and WD GANN, so the most important thing I think to remember is that Tesla considered number 3, 6 and 9 as the source of values that govern the entire universe. And by the way, what do you think about Tesla 3, 6 and 9 sequence? Is he right or not? Is it bullshit or is it something we do not appreciate yet? I'll be happy to read your opinion. Please write your opinion in the comment section below. WD GANN seems to have shared Tesla's point of view, though this is not so obvious at the first glance. We all know markets move in cycles, starting from some point and after sometimes longer or shorter, they come back, they return to the starting point. You might have seen the Euro USD hitting its high on May 2016, over here, where the cycle, let's say, begins, and then falling to the low seen here 7 months later. It was December 2016. After hitting its highs somewhere here in February 2018, the price just returned to the same level as it was 2 years before. So, sometimes we call it wheel of time or wheel of history. That's a cycle. The market made a cycle, turned 360 degrees on the cycle. Even if you know nothing about numerology, you have certainly know that a circle has 360 degrees, or semicircle has 180 degrees, or 1/4 of the circle is 90 degrees, 1/8 it's 45, and so on. Well, in whatever way you add up the numbers, these numbers, 3 plus 6 plus 0 makes 9, 1 plus 8 plus 0 makes 9, 9 plus 0 again makes 9, 4 plus 5 makes 9, 2 plus 2 plus 5 makes 9. Well, Tesla considered number 9 the divine number. The circle represents, by WD GANN, represents the fulfillment, the whole, the fullness, where 0 degree is equal to 360 degrees, the beginning and the end. WD GANN was a deeply religious man. In his book The Tunnel Through the Air, he repeatedly pointed out that his reflections on markets were derived directly from the Bible. He discovered that already before the Christ, the universal thesis, the interpretation of which disappeared in the midst of history, hidden from us. Do you remember the sentence, I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last, the beginning and the end. Divine energy, number 0 and number 9, on the circle in the same place. Do you remember the Holy Trinity? The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit? They represent the number 3. Already for 2000 years, by the way. What about the number 6 then? The Bible mentions number 6 not less than 199 times. 6 is the number of the man, because the man was created on the 6th day of divine creation. The Holy Trinity as the number 3, and the man as the number 6 added up make 9, the divine perfection, the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end of everything. These numbers, 3, 6, and 9, pretty often represent corrections or reversals of the trend. The man and the Trinity as a divine perfection, what do you think? Does it make sense, or is it overinterpretation of simple facts? I would appreciate if you write your opinion in the comments below. Well, let's continue further. I explain you how I see relation between Tesla's 3, 6, and 9 and WD GANN techniques or methods. 1/3 of any cycle is 120 degrees. 2/3 is 240 degrees. Well, full cycle is 360, which is the same time equal to 0. So the time when one cycle ends, another one begins. Like here we've got example. Well, Saturn orbits the Sun within 29.5 years, or is 10,756 days. It is indeed a long time to expect the trend to reverse in the market. Would you wait so long, my friend? I don't think you would. Well, in such a case, we would open one position every 25.5 years on each pair. Even if you've got 30 pairs, it means like that we open one position a year. It's stupid, isn't it? However, we get it more often. Well, but the 120 degree of the Saturn cycle, number 3 by Tesla, or 240 degree, number 6 by Tesla, are very likely turning points of the market. At these points, price very often squares the time. If the market trend has changed 3,585 days earlier, and you know Saturn's location 3,500 days ago, then you can predict that 1/3 of the planet's cycle has just ended. Because the full Saturn cycle is 10,755 days, 1/3 makes 3,585 days, equivalent to 1/3 of the given circle, or 120 degrees. So it's very likely the trend reversal or correction will occur. The same story happens after 7,170 days after major market reversal. Saturn already made 2/3 of the circle. Trend reverse is very likely to occur again because it is equivalent to 240 degrees, corresponding to Tesla's number 6, or the second part of the Holy Trinity of WD GANN. The harmonic vibration of the universe of Nikola Tesla seems to have the same frequency as the market harmonic vibrations of WD GANN based on his religious beliefs. Well, we've got 3 phases of alternative current, 3 states of the matter, solid, liquid, and gas, 3 reverse Japanese candlestick formations, 1 to 3 chart patterns, and so on. Everything vibrates in Tesla's or GANN's sequence 3, 6, and 9. The only thing you have to do, my friend, is to find the right frequency, the frequency of change. Well, how to do it? Well, ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. Seek and you will find. Knock to the door, to the right door, the door of WD GANN's Knowledge Traveler. Don't forget to subscribe or leave the comment. I'll see you next time, traveler. Have a good one. Green peeps.